A factory reset on your Tesla Model 3 erases all personal data and settings, returning the car to its original factory state. This is essential when selling, trading in, or returning a lease to protect your privacy. It removes your user profile, navigation history, media library, paired devices like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and personalized settings. Failing to do so could expose your personal information to the next owner. To initiate a factory reset, navigate to the Controls menu on your Tesla's touchscreen. Then select Service, followed by Factory Reset. The system will prompt you to confirm your decision and may require your Tesla account password or PIN for verification. Ensure the vehicle is stationary and connected to Wi-Fi for optimal performance during the reset process. Tesla's V13 software introduced an advanced wipe option during the factory reset. This feature not only clears user data, but also securely overwrites stored data to prevent forensic recovery. This complies with modern data privacy regulations. If available, selecting this ensures a more thorough and secure data erasure compared to a standard reset. The factory reset process now syncs with your Tesla account. After initiating the reset, you may be prompted to confirm the action via the Tesla app. This unlinks the vehicle from your cloud services, preventing lingering access to your driving data and other account-related information post-reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this unlinking process. The factory reset process typically takes between 15 and 30 minutes to complete. During this time, the touchscreen displays a progress indicator showing the system's work. It's important not to interrupt this process to avoid any issues. Once the reset is finished, the vehicle will automatically reboot with all default settings restored. This includes removing all paired Bluetooth devices, saved Wi-Fi networks, and any personalized driver profiles that were configured. Essentially, the car will be in the same state as when it first left the factory, ready for setup by a new owner or for your fresh configuration. Before performing a factory reset on your Tesla Model 3, it's essential to back up any important data you want to preserve. This includes your driver profiles, saved locations, navigation history, and any media files stored on the vehicle's internal storage. Key data to back up includes your personalized driver profiles and settings, saved locations and navigation history, and any media files or playlists stored locally in the vehicle. Tesla recommends using a USB flash drive for backing up your data. This method allows you to export driver profiles, navigation data, and media files directly to the drive. You can also back up your data using the Tesla mobile app, which syncs information to the cloud and allows easy restoration after the reset. Remember, the factory reset is completely irreversible. Any data not backed up will be permanently deleted from the vehicle. Additionally, while local data is wiped, cloud-linked information may remain unless you manually delete it from your Tesla account. If the factory reset process gets stuck or encounters errors, try restarting the Tesla by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the touchscreen goes black. If the issue persists, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and that the vehicle's software is up to date. Contact Tesla support if you encounter persistent problems or are unsure about any step of the process. After the factory reset completes, it's crucial to verify that all personal data has been properly removed and the vehicle is secure. First, double-check that all personal data has been removed from the vehicle. This includes navigation history, media preferences, and any stored files. Next, verify that your Tesla account is no longer linked to the vehicle. Check the Settings menu to ensure the account has been unlinked and no cloud services remain connected. Then, verify that all Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections have been cleared. The vehicle should show no paired devices or saved networks. As a final precaution, consider changing your Tesla account password to ensure no unauthorized access can occur. This provides an extra layer of security. By following these verification steps, you ensure a complete and secure handover of the vehicle, protecting both your privacy and the next owner's experience.